Hi guys, I was gifted these chicken DIY feeder from the seller, um, so I could show you everything about it. I got a big trash can because I wanted to um, do it right. So I'm going to go ahead and drill these holes. I measured on another feeder that I got. It's about a pinky up from the bottom. So that's just kind of what I did here. I'm going to drill these holes and then put in the feeders. This hole saw did come with the package, so that's pretty nice. Okay, I got it all set up here. All right, and so I'm going to have a ton of, probably be able to put like two bags of feed in this thing. I'm going to go put it in my chicken run. Okay, I got it all installed here. I put 2 bags of feed in. You can see I could definitely put another bag of feed in. This is a 45-gallon trash can. So if you guys need want to do a DIY trash can feeder, you definitely need these to make that happen and do it properly. So go ahead and get it. Thanks.